Hello, my name is Mara De Jesus, and I'll be applying for the CSU Trustees Award and would like to thank you for taking the time to review my application. I would also like to recognize the board for allowing all past honorees the opportunity to further their education. Today, I'll be talking a bit about myself, hobbies, and what I do on a daily basis. I'm a student at San Francisco State University studying cell molecular biology with a minor in chemistry. So yes, as a student, I do spend the majority of my time studying with my peers in the library, local coffee shops, and my laboratory study room. I also spent countless amount of hours and sleepless nights under the spinning disk microscope in Hensel Hall studying the model organism Schizosaccharomyces pompi, also known as Vision yeast. My project focuses on vacuole regulation in glucose-deficient conditions with respect to its stage in the cell cycle. In the challenge, we study vacuoles in yeast, a highly dynamic organelle with similar functions to lysosomes in the human body, which both help degrade proteins. Thus, establishing the fundamental features of vacuoles in robust model organisms is vital so that the knowledge can be applied to more complex cells that are harder to study. This drives me to continue to discover and learn to help fill more of the many unsolved puzzle pieces in science. I also spend a lot of my time planning meetings, fundraising for supplies for a yearly brigade. I find a priority in organizing this brigade as president since I have first-handly experienced the impact that we make on others. We unite. I have visited Honduras, Ghana, and Panama. Neither experience compared to the other, but for each brigade I arrived in hope to empower and impact someone's life, but the impact they imprinted in me was much greater. Contributing to communities, whether it's giving talks on the importance of a higher education to high schoolers, cleaning up Ocean Beach, aiding in breaking barriers between students and professors for more inclusive learning with Biology Pals, or serving abroad to create a more sustainable healthcare for community members. Going on my last year of obtaining my bachelor's degree, I look back at my achievements and I am more eager than ever to be the first in my family to attend college and set an example for my brother by applying to a DDS PhD program this year. I will become a dentist scientist and work towards medicine development or diagnosis development while continuing my passion of aiding communities local and worldwide. The CSU Trustees Award will grant me the power with the options for personal growth, academic, and financial stability. This scholarship will determine whether or not I will continue working at a minimum wage employment to support myself and family and allow me to focus on academics and in return achieve academic excellence. As a college student, I work enough hours to scarcely pay for all of my living expenses and to help out my mother's bills back home in Los Angeles. I am confident that this award will make a difference in my education. Thank you for listening, and I hope you and your loved ones stay safe during this pandemic.